So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel. I will be putting a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates. Now guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. Let's see what Swiss franc is going to be Swiss franc JPY is going to be giving us for the day. Starting with the trend, what can you say the trend is on your Swiss franc JPY? It is very clear that Swiss franc JPY is on a ranging market. We are very much ranging, right? And you all know that rules of trading, which is you need to trade with the trend. So since market is ranging, we need to range with it. Now, this is what market did right here, guys. Market rallied up to hit this level and it rejected, which is now this level is now seen as our resistance level, right? Market eventually came here, test this level, push up to test it again. So this is now seen as a resistance level. So normal, as a trader, as a day range trader, you should have gone in for the sell, which eventually made market to drop to have a support level, right? So now this is now the support level. So from the support level, you would have taken your buy that eventually rallied up to come to tap the resistance. Then from this resistance, you would have taken your sell that eventually made market to rally to tap the support level. And now this support level should have also been in the buy, whereby we would expect market to rally to tap this resistance level. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting. If you are in the buy on your Swiss franc JPY, it will be best you still hold in your buy position. But if you are not yet in the buy, look to go in for the buy as we will be anticipating for further movement to the upside on our Swiss franc JPY. So whatever you want to be doing on your Swiss franc JPY, you want to be going for the buy. So a bullish move is what we'll be expecting for the day. Now let's go down to the forward time frame also. So this is it. If in case market drops one more time, market will most likely go to push up again. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.